What is that one, Kevin?
Gen 6.
Good, how are you happy? Earlier today?
Alright guys, Gen 6 block here. Looks like we got different extractor, flat face, smoother trigger, but it's about the same, if you ask me. Different checkering, different stippling. Alright. This symbol's about the same. Go back to an old Gen 3 guide rod, it looks like. Gen 3 style barrel. Striker looks pretty much the same. I guess one big difference is they added this block here. There's a little eyelet hole there. And I'm not sure how to take this piece apart, but it's not coming out. No access to the extractor ejector rod. So I guess it is pinned in there now. MOS cut. So not a whole lot, it looks like, to deflect off the switches. Not that I know anything about that. Internals look like similar to a Gen 5. Nothing too crazy or spectacular. I'll have to take it apart more to find out. So what happens to that double captive recoil spring lower recoil thing? Guess it didn't last as long as we thought it would. High tang beaver tail. Grip feels good. Trigger is nice. That's the old Glocks.